Good afternoon, this is Mark with Southwest Florida Auto. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2015 Nissan Quest Gray with only 95,000 original miles to it. As you can see, this vehicle definitely was well maintained, definitely garage kept, newer tires, in really nice condition inside and out. As I walk around, I don't see anything so far. All I see is a very clean van. Give me 1 second. The bushes are getting in my way, so I do apologize about that. Now there is a little paint blemish on through here to the bumper. It doesn't look like she could have parked very well because there is another blemish right here to the bumper as well. But that's pretty much it that's going on with this van. I'm going to walk around to all four of the tires, and they're actually in really nice condition, as you completely see here. Alright, I do have the van running, so you don't have to worry. So I'm going to pop the hood right now, actually. This van is backed by a V6. Super clean in here. It still has the original smell to it. The original car, you know, that new car smell. Now as far as under here, solid. Solid and super clean. That's all I can say with this vehicle. All right, now for the rest of the vehicle, let me go ahead and you do have dual sliding doors, as you can completely see. They both open. Third row seating. The trunk does not open automatically. It is an SV, so it does not open, but you do have the third row here. I have one laying down. You have all the carpets in here. That one's sitting up. I'm gonna go ahead and close this. Now, as far as in here, super clean. It doesn't even look like anybody sat in them. As you can completely see here, the headliner's in great shape. Nice cold AC. Back seats are in great shape. Let me go ahead and close. The front seat is in great shape as well. Let me go ahead and close these rear doors here. Close my door. It does show you a warning that both slider doors are open, but as soon as I close them, it goes away. There's your 95,000 original miles. You do have steering wheel controls along with cruise control, Bluetooth audio. I think we have a backup camera. Controls the back. You have plenty of storage here. There's the passenger seat. I mean, she's in really good shape here, folks. All right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to buckle up and we're going to go on a test drive and see what she's got in her. I mean, I drove this a couple of times, and she's actually in great shape. Alright, well, we are coming up to a red light, so I do apologize. I am going to put the camera on a brief hold, and I'll be right back. Alright, well, welcome back. The light just turned green. So let's go ahead and see what this vehicle's got in her. I mean, it just dries beautifully, as you can completely see here, folks. Alright, well, we are coming to the end of our test drive. Again, my name is Mark with Southwest Florida Auto. If you have any questions or like to schedule a test drive with me, please give me a call. You can reach me at 239-690-3123. That phone number one more time is 239-690-3123. Again, my name is Mark with Southwest Florida Auto, and I would like to thank you for joining with me today. Have a great day.